There's actually a few very unique features about the SPC-9 that make this gun really stand out from all the other pistol caliber carbines. The SPC-9 is fully ambidextrous, so you get ambidextrous mag release, bolt release, safety. I guess that's not super unique. The charging handle now is something that's super unique. So it has dual charging handle. One is the traditional front charging handle, and the other one is the T-shaped top charging handle. Right there, you can see there. With the hydraulic buffer, the recoil should feel like almost non-existent, and this gun is super light. So you should be able to maneuver and recover and shoot really quickly. I've taken the gun apart. Basically, you just got these two pins that you push out, and then the lower receiver will come off. The stock actually separates as well with the hydraulic buffer you can see on there. And then this is the bolt right here. So I'm just gonna oil this up and take it out to the range to zero the sight.
Look how small this is.
Just disappears.
Yeah. It's actually already quite zero. This gun is awesome.
This is the cabin that we're staying for the next 2 nights and 3 days. It's pretty chill. Is that creepy or what?
It's extremely creepy.
It's a really nice cabin. The owner spent a lot of time putting all these little tiny decors in there to make it feel rustic and really cabin-y.
Which bed are you gonna take?
Dude, whichever bed has the most people.
Whoa, it feels real, man. It feels really real.
Always real.
So just a travel tip. The first thing after you check into like a hotel room or a cabin, you should probably use the washroom and take a piss first. Let's do this shit.
Wow.
Yo, how is it?
Really good. Like, barely any recoil. So even if you miss, you can just, your scope's already on target.
I think if you do the competition again, there's no way I can lose with this gun.
We'll see about that.
Yo, Hao, I challenge you to a shootout.
Challenge accepted.
First ever topless shootout. Let's go!
Stand back. Beep!
What the fuck? No. Okay.
Alright, let's check your time, shooter.
I didn't start.
When you see a target in the well, you drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
Ready, set, beep!
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
One. There you go.
We might be around the same time. What are we gonna do in the second round?
We're gonna do the Mozambique drill, bro.
Ready, set, beep!
Well, yes, obviously you failed.
Fuck it!
Damn. Missed.
Oh, the egg yolk. Fuck!
Nice. Now that's textbook.
Go! Fuck! Come in! Oh shit, I'm coming in.
So it's actually quite hard to pull off such an expedition with all the dudes. Some of my friends are in the States, some are in Asia, and then everyone has work. Some people have kids, everyone's busy. But hopefully there will be a next time.
Lobster.